Hi, it's me. Good morning, beautiful people of the internet. Guess what? I'm alive. Today is a beautiful day of March. Is it March 30? Yes, it's the last day of March. And it's Saturday and it's a beautiful weather, and I got an idea that we're gonna do a little bit of maintenance of the balcony. But before, I want to share with you my beautiful Aquaragona flower. Yes. So today I'm gonna be moving this shelf on this side. That way flowers will get even more light. And I will put one shelving in between before we get the real shelving here. So this is what we're gonna do today, and I will try to figure it out where to put the camera and take a little bit of time lapse. And but before that, I want you to see a little plant gift I get. Thank you so much, Maria, for sending me the package. And here is opening the package, and after that we are gonna clean this mess and make it pretty. Hello, it's me, and I am alive. Guess what? It's a plant made from my Instagram friend Maria Artime. Oh my god, of course I will put all the links down below. So excited. Careful with the scissors. Oh gosh, isn't that kind? Oh, she's so... Oh, you have to visit her Instagram. She has very pretty flowering cacti right now. So now it's empty, and we have a... Let me see. Can I open? Let me see here. So it's not easy with the plants, and you know it's a cacti, so you don't wanna get poked real. Oh, it's a monkey tail. Oh god, this is so... Maria, thank you. Look. Oh my god, it's so pretty, and it has new growth. Oh, this is so cute. And another one with the white hair, but this really feels like like a tail. Oh wow, so the name is of this yes, wow, thank you so much. Oh my god, this is so pretty. And the other one, let me see. And Maria, I will save your address so I can send you something too. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Oh, wow, yeah. Ow, ow, ow. These apple... Wait. I show you first, and then... So... You know, I'm bad at pronouncing names, and we have new growth already. Look how pretty these are. Oh Oh, and it's with the cinnamon, it's perfect. Oh my god, you know. Oh my god, thank you so much. Oh, oh, thank you. Bye.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So guys, I am sweaty as very sweaty, but here it is. But here it is. So I'm not ready with where do I put what, but this is how it looks. And in this corner I'm gonna having, you know, my kitchen garden, since on my left side we have a kitchen. So this is the view from the kitchen, and today I wanna do this one. It's for the next video. Yeah, so I will rearrange bits and pieces now, but this is how it looks. Much better. So you can see, but it's so pretty. Oh, I'm so happy, finally. Finally. And we have my Wanda, Miss Wanda, have been out here since a week time. Oh well, I'm gonna pot this baby up. What do you think about this new crossover? Isn't it pretty?